I'ma just bounce to the music. And I'ma just bounce to the music. 7 Lakes, boy, you know that it's too lit. 7 Lakes, you ain't ready for that new shit. The game, but I'm feeling like the new kid. You a lame.
Hey everyone, it's your girl Layla. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. I would love it if you would click that subscribe button below. I upload every Sunday and Wednesday. So today is going to be a review and try on the new Sephora. This set right here. Give Me Some Lip set from Sephora. And this is for spring 2018. It just came out on Boxing Day, like the day after Christmas. So I did pick it up then. This was around $40 Canadian and it comes with 2, 4, 5 things. And there's 2 full-size things in here. Marc Jacobs lippy and the Smashbox lippy are both full-size, and the other 3 are deluxe samples, or not even like, I don't want to even call them deluxe samples. I just want to say that they're like, you know, like travel size, a little bit smaller than the original, but not like crazy small, like you're not gonna get more than 2 uses out of, you know what I mean? So you're getting a really good value. And actually this is $33 Canadian, not 40. It has a $96 value in Canadian dollars, which is crazy. I don't know if I would spend $96 on all this stuff. I justified it by this Marc Jacobs product that I really wanted to try in here, and I believe it retails for like $38 by itself, and you are getting a full size in here, so you know, it's kind of worth it, I would say. So this is a review slash try on all the products that are in here. I'll give you my thoughts on each of them, as well as I just want to say, every time I do a review on something, there's people that get so offended if I don't like a certain product. Okay, first of all, it's my opinion, okay? Everybody has their likes, everybody has their dislikes. If I offend you because you really love a product and I don't love it, then I'm sorry. So anyways, yeah, if there's a product in here that you love that I don't love, then, you know, that's good for you. I'm glad it works for you, but it didn't work for me, and that doesn't mean that I don't know how to use the product, okay? So let's go ahead and get started. I'm currently wearing the Trasique Balm right now. It's the mini plumping lip balm treatment. I didn't even know it was plumping. It's not like super minty and tingly on my lips. It's just really pretty, and it's a really nice sheer color. So yeah, this is actually a really good size. But I do really like the packaging. I think it's so adorable. Like, it's like a little, you know, like one of those little lip pencils, but in a balm form. I don't even know how to describe it, but it's so cute. The balm actually looks like a, what is it called? Those EOS lip balms. That's what it kind of looks like to me, but just like tinted. It's supposed to be plumping, but I don't really find that it's that plumping, to be honest with you. It feels really nice on the lips. It feels really hydrating, and the color that we have here is in a Barbados Berry. And yeah, it's a really pretty color. I like it. I think it works, and I think it's a really good size. Like, honestly, if you use this like every day, I think it would last you a while, to be honest, because like it has a lot of product in there. So the next product I'm going to try is the Marc Jacobs. This is the liquid lip crayon in Night Mauves. I, to be honest, have used this a couple times already, because when I got this set, this was the product that I was most excited to try, because what it is actually a lip pencil. Okay, it's like a normal lip pencil, but it's like obviously bigger than a lip liner. It's like one of those like NYX jumbo lip pencil sort of deal, but this is actually a liquid matte lipstick in crayon form, which, like, mind-blowing, honestly. Like, I've never seen a product like this. I think it's very unique and different, and I just wanted to see if it actually did work, because a liquid lipstick in a pencil form, like, what? So I wanted to see if it worked, and it really does. It lasted me all day long through my work shift. I have days where like I'm super busy at work. Like, I can't even touch up my lip product. I can't even like go to the bathroom sometimes. So honestly, like, I need products that are going to be lasting on my lips throughout the whole day, that I don't have to bother touching up, and this is definitely one of them right here. Really a smooth application. I love the way that it's like in a pencil form, and then you can just line your lips and then just fill them in. I love the color. It's not completely matte though. though, like it does transfer a little bit. Like if I'm drinking coffee or something, I'll have a little bit left on my cup. It is also not completely matte. It has like it feels matte on your lips, like you can't feel anything, but it does have a really nice iridescence to it. It's a really, really pretty mauve color, but it has like a nice, just like a dimension pearl finish to it. So it's a really, really unique product, and I highly recommend you try this. I'm just gonna go ahead, take a makeup wipe and wipe that balm off. I'm gonna go ahead and apply this. And that's what it looks like. It is so pretty. I think it's a really pretty color on me, and since this is a mauve, I really honestly feel like a lot of people can pull off this color. A lot of variety of skin tones from the lightest to the darkest. It looks like effortless and just like really nice, like you didn't even try, but your lips are popping, you know what I mean? So I really, really do love this lip product. Oh my gosh, I can't. Favorite products discovery of 2018 so far. So that's that. The next thing I have here is the Huda Beauty Lip Strobe in the color Snobby. Oh my gosh, I've wanted to try this for the longest time. I was actually gonna buy it in one of those like sets. So it came in like a tin shaped like lips, and it had like a lip contour, a liquid lipstick, and one of these. But the one with Snobby was actually sold out like super fast. I ended up getting the other two, like Trophy Wife and Muse. I love their lip strobes, so I know I'm gonna love this color because it's just so pretty. It's just like I don't even know how to describe it. It's like a pink with like a golden undertone and like a golden pearly finish to it. And I'm actually gonna apply it on top of this Marc Jacobs lippy because I know that this color combo is gonna be bomb, and I know that this is just gonna be the perfect topper for this lippy. So let's go ahead and try it on. It smells so good. Oh my gosh. So this is what the two look like together, and oh my gosh, if you couldn't tell in the try on, I was super impressed with the way it looks. I think it just looks so pretty. I love this color combination. I know I'm always talking about, oh, this is my favorite lip color, this is my perfect lip color, this is my perfect nude, but you guys, this color combo is just so I love it. Two more lippies in here that I'm gonna be trying out for you. So the Huda Beauty one, I love. So the next lippy in here, I'm just actually gonna apply a little tiny bit of this balm just because when I do, what's it called? When I do liquid matte lipsticks, I always have a balm on underneath so it doesn't like completely dry out my lips. So just a really, really thin layer. Alright, so this next lip product, this is another full-size product in here, and I know that the color, I just am not a fan of the color. It's just a little bit weird in the packaging. Like, it looks like it's kind of separating. I don't know. Like, I don't know if I'm gonna like this, but let's shake it up and try it out. This is the Smashbox Always On Metallic Rouge in XO Vlada. This looks like one of those colors from like the 90s or something, or the colors that people never pick up. That's always just like sitting there. I don't know. So let's try this, I guess. So that's what this looks like. It definitely looks like, honestly, like what I just described as something that you would find in the 90s or like in the clearance aisle of a store. I don't know. I just am not a fan of metallics, although if I was a fan of metallics, this would be like a color that I would pick, to be honest, because it's definitely wearable. I don't know, it's just not something that I would wear personally. I'm just not a huge fan of metallics. I used to love metallics and frost finishes when I first started getting into makeup. Just a really dated color and a really dated finish. I think metallics, when I think of metallics, I think like the early 2000s. So yeah, it applied really nice. The formula is really nice. It's like a moussey consistency. And I really, really hate that I'm never a fan of any Smashbox products. Like, I don't own any Smashbox except for that one primer that came in a set that I don't like. So I kind of feel bad because everything I've ever tried from Smashbox I'm not a complete fan of, although I will tell you that if this was a matte liquid lipstick, I would probably love it. So yeah, that's that. Let's go ahead and try out the last lippy. So I'm gonna actually still pop a little bit of this lip balm on. The last lippy in here is this one. This is partially the reason why I bought this set. Well, the full-size Marc Jacobs, the Huda Beauty, and this was the main reason I decided to even purchase this set. This is definitely a deluxe sample size though, because it's really, really small. I feel like you could still get, you know, a lot of use out of this. If you're using this like every single day, you could probably, this would probably last you like a couple months. This is the Fenty Beauty Mademoiselle Lippy in the color Candy Venom, and it's a really, really pretty color. I honestly don't even want to try it because it has the FB like printed into the cream. I'll go ahead and try this on. I'm super excited. Okay, so the first thing I want to say is the FB goes away like instantly, the one that's embedded into the lipstick. Like, it looks ratchet a little bit right now. So it has like a really faint FB, but it's pretty much gone. So this is the color. I really like it. I think it's a really pretty color, honestly. It's something that I would definitely wear, and I'm gonna probably actually keep this on today because it kind of does go with the eyeshadow I'm wearing. By the way, my coworker gave me this like little eyeshadow palette from Lancome, and that's what I'm wearing on my eyes today, and I love it so much. I think it looks so pretty. Lippy honestly will go with a lot of skin tones. Again, all of the colors in here I have no problem with. Like, I think it's a really good set, and I think that from the lightest skin tones to the darkest skin tones can definitely pull off the colors in this set. And this color is just so pretty. The only thing is, upon first application, like, I wasn't expecting it because it's like a cream lipstick. I thought it would just glide on perfectly, but it was a little what's it called? It was a little bit, it took a little bit of work is what I'm trying to say. It's not as creamy as I thought it was going to be, but it's definitely a matte lipstick, so expect that with matte lipsticks. It reminds me a little bit of the MAC Retro Matte lipsticks, not the liquid ones, but the ones that are like, you know, your traditional lipstick, but just like the matte version. I don't know how to describe it, but it's a little bit like that. But honestly, I can't even feel it on the lips. Like, it literally feels like I'm wearing nothing, and I love the color payoff. Like, it was insane. Like, you guys saw it upon application. Like, I didn't have to keep going over places. I just had to go over the lines a little bit. So I didn't use a lip liner or anything because I wanted to not alter the color, but I kind of had to go, you know, around the lip lines a little bit to make it look nice. So all in all, I love the set. I definitely think it's worth the $33. If you do want to purchase it in the United States, this actually retails for $28. And when I did see this little box at Sephora, it's so cute. It looks like a little Timbits box. You guys have Tim Hortons in the States, right? I don't know, but it looks like a little box of Timbits. That's pretty much it for my review. I hope you guys enjoyed, and definitely click that subscribe button below if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, everyone.
Why you wanna hold me up? Tell me what's up. Girl, you coming home with me. Saying that it makes no fun. She wanna get drunk, sipping on Hennessy.